working with BrightRay came as a surprise. Out of the blue, we had a conversation with the team, and this idea of writing a book, which we'd never really thought of until just a couple of days prior, became very real. And what I've enjoyed about working with the team is they're all professionals. They're very deliberate. They help to guide us. It's not intimidating. It's actually joyful. So the whole process has been surprisingly wonderful, if you want to call it that. If there's no reaction, if there's not a first action. So I think as a business owner, it's like, well, what actions are you going to take? And this one is not what I would call a natural business action, but the fact that even as a marketing guy, right, companies have a need to tell their story. And so I think that this is, if you have something to write about, if there's a story there, then just do it. It's not much money compared to the benefit. It just isn't. And you don't know what that benefit will be, but you're not even going to be able to test it if you don't do it. I think what benefited us the most was probably cover design. Believe it or not, I mean, that's really important. Having a visually appealing product right off the bat. And then the editing, the editing process was very professional. It was surprising just to me as an individual, right? So we had help writing the first book. And then, as the company knows, I've come back. I wrote a second book, and it's going to be published with BrightRay. So it's pulled out of me something that I've long wanted to do, which is to write a book, and here we are, done it twice. And so it's really helped to build me as an individual. It's helped me to accomplish my vision of myself. As I get older, my hair goes gray, I can pass tangible stories down to my kids, my grandkids, my friends, my family. I can help better them, I hope. And it's just been very surprising and delightful.